welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. We're actually with a Mark 7 Ford Transit, and today we're going to be taking the manifold inlet pressure sensor. We're going to be taking that out and having a look at it. If it's no good, we're actually going to be replacing it, and the problem and the reason why is when we turn the ignition on, it's actually got a traction control on. So let me just turn the ignition on. It's got the traction control on, light on, and when you press the accelerator pedal, it's really slow at picking up speed. So if you turn it on, as you can see, the traction control light's on, and when you actually try and rev, it actually picks up pressure, it actually picks up speed really slow. Now the reason, if you got this on your van, it could be that. Now we have plugged it in and it has diagnosed it that as well. So like I says, we're just going to be taking it out, having a look at it, see what it's like. And I just thought I'll be bringing you along and sharing this video with you. So let me just set you up and take it out, and I'll be back with you. Right, so this is actually a 7mm. So I have already unplugged it, by the way. So if I'll just take the 7mm out. Just put that on there so we don't lose it. It is a bit stiff. Well, that's probably the reason why. I'd say that probably is the reason why. It's got having all that oily residue all over it, build up. I'd say that's the reason why it's not reading properly and throwing that code. So let's just clean it up and try it first, and then if it still don't work, like I says, we'll be replacing it for another one. But let's clean it up first and go from there. So just bear with me and I'll set you up and we'll give it a go at cleaning it. Right, so we've just come inside where it's a little bit warmer, and we're just going to be getting some of this mess off here. Right on here, please. So, and as you can see, there is quite a lot of mess coming off this. I don't want to be digging too far into this, but as you can see, there's a lot of stuff. Don't want to be digging and prying too much in there because of the sensor. It's just like thick tar, as you can see. But as you can see, I'm not digging actually too far inside there. I'm just picking it out slowly. Obviously I don't want to be damaging the sensor if I can help it. There's that much gunk in there. It's actually understanding why you can't actually read anything. So we'll just get it out of here. And if you actually look inside, like I says, I don't know if you can see in there, but that's the actual sensor inside there itself. So as you're cleaning it, be careful as well. So I'm just going to be cleaning this up a bit more, and then I'll be back with you. Right, I've tried to clean it the best I can. As you can see, it is a lot better than what it was. I mean, you can, this is actual all the stuff that's actually come off it, which is the build up. And I ain't surprised really why you can't actually read it. Right, so let's go back to the van. Let's put it back on, and let's see how it goes. Right, so I'm just going to be putting it back in there. As you can see, it's a lot cleaner than what it was. I ain't actually got none, but what you can use is some electrical cleaner, electrical parts cleaner. That's a good thing to use as well. So let's just stick it back in now. Start it off by hand. So these don't have to be very tight anyway. I'm just going to use this because it's quicker. So let's just plug it back in. Right, so we're all back in there now, all plugged in. Now let's go and start it. And we should know straight away if the light's gone off, and when we press the accelerator pedal it should pick the revs up straight away. So turn this on. As you can see, the light's gone off, and when I rev, it actually picks the revs up straight away. So there you go. If you're actually having this problem as well, but you can't actually plug it into a diagnostic tool to find out or to get the code, I do recommend you just come here and try this, your intake pressure sensor. I recommend you try that first, pull it out and just see if it's got a load of dirt and muck on like ours did. Try that first. If you like this video or it helped you out at all, please consider subscribing to the channel for further videos like this. I am actually going to be leaving it there now and stop waffling on. But until next time, I'll catch you in another one.